Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So, as you know that the One UI 7 update is now on the line and it is expected to be released by the end of this year or most probably the next year with the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. But still you can get to see an early access to the One UI 7 features like One UI 7 icons. So this method is free and you can try it out. For first of all, you just have to simply install this Good Lock application from the Galaxy Store app, and now you have to open this Good Lock application. Now you have to search for this theme park, or you just have to install this theme park in the Good Lock. And after selecting this theme park, you just have to simply search for this icon from here. Now after selecting icon, you have to click on create new. Now from here you have to click on these three dots on the top right corner. After clicking on these three dots, you will get to see an option of change icons. Now from here you will have to search for the app you want to change the icon of. For example, I am changing the icon of this gallery app. Now from here you have to select gallery, from where you will select the image. You can install the image of the new One UI 7 gallery icon from the Google or the Twitter. And after selecting that, you are all set to go. Now you just have to simply click on this download option, but before that you can change the shape of these icons. There are multiple shapes available. You can change into circular or some boxier shapes. Now you have to name this to install it. For example, I will randomly name it Galaxy icon. Now you have to save it. This saving process might take a while, so you have to wait patiently over here. And once the saving is done, you will get to see this icon pack over here. You have to select it and now you have to apply it, and that's it. Now the new One UI 7 gallery icon will be applied on your Samsung Galaxy devices. There's another method also available by which you can change all the icons at once. For that you will have to purchase this application known as One Pro 7 icon pack. So if you can purchase this application, so you can change all the icons at once. The process is also same. You just have to go to your theme park, create new. From here now you have to select this icon pack. Now you can just simply tap on One UI 7 and again you have to wait over here, and that's it. Now you just have to simply download it. You can also name it again. Now after naming it, you just have to simply save it, and that's it. Now you just have to simply apply it. As you can see, the One UI 7 option is here. Now you have to apply it, and that's it. Now all the icons will be changed to the One UI 7, and all the icons are completely working fine. As you can see, this call icon is completely working fine. All of these icons are really looking good, and it is giving a fresh new look to your older Galaxy device and an early access to the One UI 7 icons. And that's why for today's video. Check out these free icons, or you can also try out that paid icon app. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.